This is a Banjara Market haul video. Hi, I'm Bhavna Chaudhary and this is my first official YouTube video and I want all your love and support on this. I recently visited Banjara Market which is located in Gurgaon, and I'm sure if you are like a Delhiite, you have heard about this market at least once in your life. So this market is basically famous for its home decor. It's like your Sarojini but for home decor. So I always make sure that I take my mom along because she's just good at bargaining. If you're someone who's looking for Pinteresty home decor finds or something at an affordable rate, this is your place. I have a few things with me that I have purchased from this market. I'm going to tell you how much I was quoted for it and then how much I got it for, and it's going to be really fun. So firstly, I got these flower vases and they quoted me 200 for this and 350 each for this, and I got both of them for 100 each. So for the people who are on my Instagram would know that I recently bought a coffee machine. So I am a lot about ceramic cups right now, but the prices were way too high, and I am someone who likes to hoard sippers, anything that I can drink my coffee in. Basically, the lady at Banjara Market who was selling all these cups actually asked me कि आप अकेले पीने वाले हो इन सारे cups में, because मेरी आदत है that because I like variety of cups or like sippers for my coffee, I tend to just buy one piece of each. And usually हमारे इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में क्या होता है कि हम हर चीज का 4 का सेट 6 का सेट लेके आते हैं, and that's how these guys also sell their cups usually in sets. But anyway, I got a lot of them, and let me show you what all I have got because these are very aesthetic, very Pinteresty, and I'm just very excited to show it. The first cup that I have got is this cute cloud saucer and mug set, and I mean, if you are into ceramic cups and if you're someone who's wanting to buy this, I am very sure that this piece was all over your Instagram. मैं एक कप 500 रुपए का नहीं खरीद सकती. So I went to Banjara Market and they quoted me 350 for this because it's a set, but I got it for just 150 rupees, and this person quoted us 350. So now you know why you have to be good at bargaining here. I got these two tulip print mugs which are huge in size, again for 150 each, and I have actually seen exactly same cups for 1000 each on a site that I do not want to name, but are from Pinterest. So something you see on Pinterest, you have to have it. Now again, I have a few cups that I was quoted 250 for, but after hard bargaining, I got them for 100 each. So first one is this. So cute! It also has a heart inside. I mean, girl math, you see a heart, you get it. So since we are talking about heart, again a heart, you see a heart, you buy it. And oh, there's a heart here also. 100 rupees. So now because I had already bought a cup and a saucer set for 150 rupees, I thought this is like the best price. Then I see a cup with an evil eye on it. So the saucer is also cute. And I feel more than a saucer, this could also be used like a little snacks plate. You could keep your cookies here and your coffee in the cup. And I absolutely love these. I got two of them, and this I got for 100 each. And they had quoted me 300 initially. And because I was buying two, so a better price, of course. I also got two more vases. It's been sold as a handbag, it's been sold as a flower vase. I think it's a very multi-purpose product that you could use for your home decor. And I got another one which is like a huge vase. I think it was a planter. Oh yeah, you also get really nice planters at very affordable rates at Banjara Market, ceramic planters. So this is the first flower vase that I have got. It's a cute bag, and they also had a smaller version of it, and it was plain, like no texture and nothing, just like a one colored solid vase. But I was not sure because it was too small to actually fit flowers inside. I got this to like place my flowers because I'm someone who loves to receive flowers, and I'm also someone who just doesn't like कि चलो बुके मिला है तो ऐसे के ऐसे ही रख दिया, but I like to like unwrap it, cut the stems and everything and decorate my flowers. So I've got two of them, being this the first one, and I absolutely love it. It has got a beautiful texture on it and a gorgeous polish. Okay, so she had quoted me 450 for this one, and I really wanted to get this one because this was also everywhere on my feed. I'll attach a picture actually जो मैंने देखा था अपनी फीड पे. इट वाज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट एंड आई हैड सीन समवन परचेज इट फ्रॉम बजारा मार्केट, बट मुझे वो तो नहीं मिला बिकॉज कलेक्शन वहाँ का हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है. बट आई गॉट दिस एंड आई थिंक आई लाइक दिस बेटर. So I had told her that if you give this to me for 200, I'll just buy it because जो भी मैंने सारे कप्स अभी दिखाए आई हैड परचेज फ्रॉम द सेम शॉप, बट शी वाज लाइक नहीं 250, सो मैं आगे चली गई, वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज जो मैंने फोटो देखी थी मुझे वही चाहिए था, सो आई वाज लाइक चलो कोई नहीं 250 का अभी छोड़ते हैं, विल सी। हमारी कार वहीं पार्क हुई है, वापस आते हुए probably I'll just pick it if I don't get the one that I had wanted in the first place. Went further and there was another shop who was selling this. She also quoted me the same price. I said 200 का दे दो and she happily gave it. So I was like चलो perfect. So we got this. The second one that I got was this, and I just know that you must have seen this print somewhere or the other because this is everywhere in bed sheets, vases, phone covers, your Pinterest, wallpapers, just everywhere. Put the whole bouquet inside and it's going to look so beautiful given the print is so pretty, and again hearts. So now you know the drill. So 150 is what we settled at, and I think I love this one. I'm just waiting for someone to give me flowers. So now that I've started creating fashion content, on that note, please go follow my Instagram as well. I just wanted something to up my backdrop as well. And मुझे फ्लोर के लिए कुछ एक बहुत ही फैंसी एस्थेटिक सा कारपेट चाहिए था, बट देन आई सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ कारपेट्स एंड कारपेट्स वर टू ह्यूज मेरे लिए। जो मेरा शूटिंग स्पेस है, आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस एट होम, सो आई हैव टू क्रिएट सम स्पेस व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग। तो मुझे कुछ छोटा सा पीस चाहिए था दैट कैन ओनली फिट द कैमरा एंड नॉट समथिंग कितना बड़ा चाहिए टू लाइक कवर द होल रूम और एनीथिंग. So this was this bedside runner that we really liked. It was all fur and really soft teddy bear like fur, and I think I liked that in one glance. So she quoted me 1500 for this. Let me show you. So I got this beautiful bedside runner in this color because this is also something that mummy will be happy with कि गंदा नहीं होगा and जल्दी से धोना नहीं पड़ेगा. But I got this and I absolutely love it. It's so soft. Like when you actually walk on this, we slip because it's so soft. Probably it will get better after a wash or two. But this is what I got, and this person had quoted us 1500, and we got this for 600. That's a great bargain. Isn't it? I mean, you have to appreciate my bargaining skills till the end of this video because I saved this till the end for like a higher end. See, there used to be a lot of Banjara markets in Gurgaon earlier, which got demolished, and they have further now, gone in different sectors. This was in sector 70. It is called Old Banjara Market because वो सारा market का collectively market is there. And you should just go to sector 70, you'll find everything. And also please do not search Banjara Market on Google because जो भी markets demolish हुई हैं वो कुछ भी update Google पे नहीं है. If you're planning to go to this market, here are a few tips that you can follow for a pleasant shopping experience. First, comfortable shoes because you will have to walk a lot here. Plus, don't dress up too fancy because then obviously bargaining gets difficult. My best advice is to go in daylight where you can see, and please before buying check every product कि उसमें कोई cut ना हो, कोई crack ना हो, and you're not like wasting your money on something that you cannot use later. Yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked all the stuff that I have got. Let me know which one do you think is my best purchase in the comment section, and I'll be reading all your comments. And please shower all your love and support on my first ever YouTube video, and I'm really happy to be shooting this. So more chapper chapper coming on your way, and please do subscribe, like, comment on this video, and hopefully I'll be coming again with a very fun video. So stay tuned for that. Bye bye.